that's my two goals, while, you know, being a dad and being a great partner, helping the community in some way. That's my main goals. But yeah, obviously I want to venture more into Hollywood scoring. I want to get some hits under my belt, because that was the goal as a 14-year-old. It wasn't really to score movies. I wanted to do that like 20 years after I had hits, but I'm actually doing that now and haven't had hits. So I still want hits, just to have songs that move people, that push the envelope of, you know, electronic music in some small way, that sparks a bit of a trend, maybe a bit of a genre. And then, you know, I educate people. So I want to continue doing that, because that's very rewarding. It's a great way to pass on your skills, and then, you know, help people informally through community music projects. That's mainly what I want to do, and continue being creative. Now venturing into video using DaVinci Resolve, you know, color grading footage, and I've just got a camera that I got last year, and being able to not really touch it too much, but I've created educational content with it. And just I'm seeing that as the next evolution of my artistry. I'm about to launch a new artist project called For Noah. So I've collected a lot of music since my son is born. My son's called Noah, but the project's called like 4 as in the number, and then NOA, because his name's spelled Noah like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've refrained from dropping music for a long time, because I want to make a project that I'm really proud of,